For centuries, artisans carved beauty into metal through the ancient art of chasing. And today, we are translating that technique into resin, creating engraved depth and contrast in the modern, creative way. Hello guys, welcome back to LisinCult Resin Lab, where we explore new ideas and techniques in resin art. My name is Lida, and today we are trying a concept inspired by Toreutic, the ancient art of chasing and embossing metal. Let's jump into it. Traditionally, Toreutic is practiced on metals like silver or copper, and artisans hammer and engrave delicate patterns into the surface, creating raised and recessed details. After curving, they rub dark pigment into the recesses to deepen the contrast and highlight every fine line. Instead of metal, we are recreating that engraved look in resin using a detailed mandala mold. Mandalas are built from repeating balanced patterns perfect for this engraved style resin effect. They come in many beautiful designs, and today I'm using this mandala mold with the same pattern. To get that metallic depth, I'm brushing the chameleon silver and copper pigments over the molds to mimic the reflective look of chased metalwork. The powders settle into all fine grooves just like real engraved metal, where the darker tones sit in the recessed area and bring the design to life. Alright, let's get started with the first step. With a soft brush, work the powder gently into every detail and make sure every groove and even the edges of the mold are nicely covered. Then gently remove any excess pigment. Let's do it together. Wow, look at the shine and the color. It's gorgeous. This is the copper one, and this one, the silver one. Our molds are ready. Let's jump to the second step. I'm working with the medium viscosity resin with a 2:1 mixing ratio in this experiment, and each mold measures 20 centimeters in diameter and 0.6 centimeter deep because we are not filling them to the top. We only need about 206 grams of total mixture per mold. So for both molds, it comes about 440 grams of resin mixture, 276 grams of resin, and 138 grams of hardener. And don't worry, all the math and resin calculations are in a free PDF link in the description box. Now I'm mixing a black pigment paste into the resin to achieve a solid, opaque black. The black base creates a strong contrast and makes the metallic patterns pop, just like oxidized metal. Okay, it's ready to pour. Pour the resin slowly and let it flow, covering the whole surface evenly. Okay, let the bubbles rise and torch them gently. Now, we just have to wait for the pieces to cure properly. Once they're ready, we will move on to the final step that gives them that Toreutic look. See you in 24 hours for the exciting part. Okay, the pieces are fully cured. Let's demold them. Look at them. The metallic pattern already looks embossed and dimensional. So nice. But we're not done yet. Now, for the fun part, this step really brings that Toreutic depth to life. Brush a thin layer of black acrylic paint over the surface and don't add water to your acrylic paint. And let it sit for about 2 or 3 minutes, then wipe it off with the dry cloth. The paint stays in the grooves and the raised areas stay clean, exactly like real engraved metal. And if it was tough to remove, lightly dampen your cloth with the alcohol. But remember, never apply alcohol directly on the resin piece. It might be a bit messy, but trust me, the finish is worth every second. Let's do it together. It's done. Let's have a closer look. The copper finish, rich, warm and bold. It captures that handwork chased metal look. Shadows settle into the engraved lines while the raised surfaces glow in deep copper, burnished gold and soft green tones. And that chameleon flash, it shifts with the light, clean depth, handmade finish. So gorgeous. And the silver version? Clean metallic depth, crisp engraved details, and controlled dark accents define this silver finish. Under light, the chameleon layer flashes ice blue violet, adding dimensions and movement far beyond a flat metal surface. Cool, refined, and sculpted with hands, not machines. This technique works with any color combination. Swap tones to build the mood you want. Different mood, different hue, yet the same sculpted Toreutic impact. Modern materials, ancient inspirations, and such a striking result. A resin piece inspired by Toreutic metal art. Every line, every highlight, and every shadow works together to create that hand-engraved illusion, timeless and elegant. Okay, my friends, we have wrapped up another resin experiment, advancing technique, texture, and control one step further. If it sparked ideas and challenged how you think about resin, hit the like button and subscribe to LisinCult Resin Lab, where we're involving resin craft with every method you test. The free PDF and all related tutorials are linked in the description box, and drop your thoughts and questions below. I read them all, and your feedback genuinely drives the next idea. May every pore catch light like metal and hold details like memory. See you in the next creation.